Today I'm going to show you how to do the back neck portion of the coast coat. Take your two front bodice pieces and put the right sides together. Then you're going to want to pin at the very end on the small edge. Once you have that pinned, go over to your sewing machine and sew at 1/4 inch all the way down. Head over to your iron and press those seams open so they lay flat. Grab your bias tape and snip it to size. Take your iron and iron the bias tape to get that harsh seam out of there. Next, we're going to pin the bias tape to the back of the neck. We're going to want to make sure this is really straight, so to do this, I like to put a pin through the center of the bias tape and pin it directly in the center of the neck. That way you can make sure it's straight on both sides when you sew. Head back over to your sewing machine and edge stitch along the bias tape on both sides. When you're done, you should have an even stitching on either side of the back seam. The coast coat pattern will be available in September. Stay tuned for more videos and tutorials. Thanks!